Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today we are here to unbox the beautiful collection Ever Sassy.
Welcome lovelies. Well, it's like I can't wait. I cannot wait.
All year we say, oh my God, it feels like Christmas. Well, guess what? We got our Christmas tree up, ladies. Christmas is coming. First video with the Christmas tree.
It's here, yeah.
Here we are. We're
Really
looking
pumped.
festive.
We are.
We didn't even know what each other was wearing,
No.
but you with your red and this sweater.
I know.
It's very festive.
It is quite
Yeah.
festive. If you want to
Pretty.
be casual festive, this
Yeah.
is beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm wearing the up pants, you know.
Oh, the
gauchos,
Ponte
the
gauchos.
Ponte,
You
yeah.
love those.
Love those. And this very nice sweater.
Sweater from Liverpool, which has the faux shirt, ladies.
It's a fakie. This is attached, and then this little peeking
It's
out.
cute.
It's so
It's
cute.
a great idea.
Yeah.
And
I think
beautiful
so,
red
too.
jewelry.
And
to-
beautiful red jewelry.
Love it. That is from Majestic. This is new win, ladies. New ones from Majestic.
And
And
Ziska to
Ziska.
match.
Ziska to match. We have some new Ziska dropping this week, ladies, on Wednesday. Me and Lousje will be here to do a video on that.
But
I have a Majestic piece that we
That's
restocked
right.
as well. So
Yeah.
check that out because we had a few new restocks and a few new ones.
beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful. Look
Yeah,
at that. And how it
gorgeous.
matches this dress
know.
perfectly. This is the dime dress from Cozen. It's beautiful.
Oh, and it comes back in the cowl.
Yeah.
Oh.
Even, I mean, I put a
comfy.
necklace on because it's cute, but look at the simplicity without.
Yeah.
Like, it's so
Love,
gorgeous.
lovely.
And then the earrings from
Oh, yeah.
Ziska, just to boot.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay,
so
I can't wait.
small but mighty line. Very excited. I'm going to start off with one piece on its own and one of our favorites, my favorites, polka dots. I'm going to get in trouble. Everything I have in my life is polka dots.
Black and white.
Look at that gorgeous dress.
Oh, my. Yeah.
So this is like a crepe, ladies.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful fabric.
Yeah, it's very nice and light.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
And a gorgeous print, not too overwhelming,
No.
very subtle.
Very classy. Yeah.
Nice little pleat here.
A cute little detail there. Yeah.
And a V-neck
the
for
back
the V-neck lovers.
Yeah, beautiful.
Beautiful.
And a little
Yeah.
belly in the bottom, right?
Yeah.
A little bell. Yeah.
Great,
Gorgeous.
great piece.
Gorgeous.
All right, and here's another one that I thought was beautiful.
Oh, that is lovely.
Yeah, casual, but you're looking good,
Yeah.
feeling good.
Very nice.
There's a cowl neck tunic.
Oh, I like it, Tessa.
Yeah, look at the sleeves,
And
Mom,
these
because they're
details. Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
the different fabric.
Oh, I love it. And this is stretchy too.
Yeah,
yes.
and then they brought it back in on the
In the
stripes.
stri- on
And
the
it's a
side?
high-low. Yeah,
Yes. Oh, lovely.
yeah, really cool.
Great casual.
Casual, easy to wear.
Heathered gray. Beautiful.
And here comes the fun. Those two pieces are beautiful, but, well, they did it again, and they did their jumper.
Their jumper that we've carried in many different
I
fabrics.
love
actually.
this, yeah.
Love.
We've had it in the seersucker in the
Yeah.
summer, which is gorgeous.
Yeah.
And this is a beautiful taffeta,
Oh,
ladies.
wow. Pockets on the side.
With the chartreuse green,
Right.
very cool design.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Like print, I mean, very cool print.
Beautiful.
Bubble at the bottom pockets.
Yeah.
And then they did it in, we had to get both colors.
Of course.
We'll have to style these up together. You
What
wear one color, I'll
what
wear the
color?
other.
I know what color you're gonna pick.
Well, I like both.
Yeah.
This has a midnight hue behind
Yes.
it. That one is black
definitely-
background.
yeah.
And this is like a midnight hue with the red.
Yeah, definitely a different background.
I don't know, because I mean, I'm so partial to black, but I love the red. So
Yeah.
we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll keep it a surprise.
Yeah, okay.
All right. And then you're going to be so excited, Mom, because we have back
Oh, our
the
favorite tops.
drawstring top,
Yes,
the
yes.
tunnel top,
Oh, love.
cowl
I
neck.
know so many of you lovelies, and you know who you are. You have one or two.
Yeah, well, we did it too in sleeveless.
Yes,
We've done
that's right.
and sleeved years
right,
ago,
yeah.
and so they brought it back. This
But
is
this is soft. I
it's
love it.
yeah, it's soft.
Very
It's
soft.
it's a little bit it's thin, eh?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's parachute fabric. Right?
And then you can also ruche the sleeves here.
Yeah.
Great.
Cute
So
little
this is that
detail.
midnight blue.
Okay. Yeah.
Now watch this. Like
Okay.
such a great set this is gonna be. Skirt.
Oh, with the top.
Yeah.
Oh my! Look at this skirt.
Va-va-voom.
What amazing detail on the skirt.
Yeah.
A slit here, Nice. Oh, there's elastic band on the side.
But there's a zipper, so that's good because it's going to
so
be
it's
nicely fitted.
Very fitted. And big pockets, and then you can have some fun with the hem.
You can, yeah, you can definitely, you know, make it into a bubble
Love.
on the bottom.
Yeah, love it.
Cool, eh?
So cool.
Even with a turtleneck,
Oh, yeah.
it would look beautiful.
Oh, my goodness, with some jewelry.
Yeah, but those two pieces together. And then you can wear, we should show, you can wear this guy over the dress too.
This.
That's a great look.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should show that.
For sure.
So we did they also came in black.
Oh, yeah.
So
Yeah,
it's just,
very nice.
this is straight back and black, and that's like a very dark midnight.
Yeah, no, yeah, definitely. When you put them next to each other, you
see the
really
contrast,
see
yeah.
the contrast, right?
And then we couldn't do it without the skirt too.
Of course not.
No.
Yeah. Oh, I can't wait to style this.
I know.
Oh,
The bubbled hem on this
yeah,
one.
Yeah.
Isn't that so
Beautiful,
cool?
Beautiful. And what a comfortable waist this must be.
Yeah, a
Yet
beautiful skirt.
you're tucked in, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can dress it up or dress it
Cool,
down.
and this
Beautiful
is
for
so
the
cool.
holidays.
Oh, yeah.
Be a stunner.
Yeah, stunner.
Nice booties and
Yeah.
leggings or leotards.
Tights and
Yeah.
yeah.
Look at Charlie. You can't even see him. This is abuse, Mom.
No, he loves it. Look, his head is all way underneath the pillow. Look at him, Tess.
Oh yeah, he's so cold.
Oh.
All right, ladies, we hope you enjoyed this small but mighty unboxing from Ever Sassy. Ever Sassy is a company based out of Montreal, so
Yeah.
Canadian
Very
designed,
important.
manufactured and made in Turkey. So
Yeah.
beautiful fabrics.
Really nice company to deal with, right?
Yeah. If you have any question on the sizing, please let us know. I know the skirts do fall smaller, so we started at a size small. So I would suggest to go up a size. So Lousje will be wearing a size small in the skirt, and the other pieces fit true to size. So they're
Okay.
extra small to double X.
Right.
Yeah. All right, and watch out tomorrow because the two of us are going to style it up together. And we have a Ziska drop on Wednesday. Friday, a vlog. Watch out for that. And
Nothing but fun in this organization.
I know.
Right?
It is fun.
It's a fun day every day.
Yeah.
Okay, lovelies. Make your day a fun day every day. And
Hit a thumbs up.
okay. And
It helps us reach our content further.
lovely like lovely women like you. And as always, keep on smiling.